This man spots a tiny puppy on the roadside. It's about to be swept away by rushing water. He rushes over and saves it just in time. The pup is soaked from the rain, shivering nonstop from the cold. If the man hadn't found it, the little one might have frozen to death. The kind man grabs a bag, gently tucks the puppy inside. Back home, he gives it a warm bath right away. The pup stays still the whole time. It knows this human just saved its life. Seeing the poor little thing, the man decides to adopt it, but sadly his big dog accidentally bites its mouth. Luckily, the wound isn't serious. Under the man's care, the puppy fully recovers and turns into a playful ball of energy. If you love this little survivor too, drop a cute comment below.